The best dash cams are essential purchases for any driver. The roads are a dangerous place, and there are plenty of careless drivers ready to cause an accident without warning. The last thing you need is for them to cause an accident and try to blame it on you. That's where the dash cam comes into play. Whether an accident is your fault or not, having a recording of your trip can be a godsend. Particularly since the recording doesn't lie, something that isn't always true about people. And not only can it save you an expensive insurance claim, you'll be able to show clips of awful drivers to all your friends, or the internet. Picking the right dash cam is tricky, and there are a lot of options to choose from. Thankfully, we've tested the best dash cams to help you find the ideal model. Number 5. Garmin pocket-sized dash camera goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield. Automatically records and saves video of incidents with GPS location. Date and time extra wide 180-degree lens captures more of the environment, and records 1440p HD video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night voice control. Only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish. Lets you use spoken commands to save video, start, stop audio recording, take still pictures and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Requires Wi-Fi connection. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Access the camera remotely for live view monitoring. Requires constant power and an active Wi-Fi connection. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. When you're away from your parked car, driver alerts such as forward collision, lane departure and speed camera warnings help encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness. Certain conditions may impair the warning function. Red light and speed camera warnings are not available in all regions. Number 4. Rexing Ultra HD Discrete Design Dash Cam. Top image sensor captures beautiful 2160p video even while driving fast. Signature low-profile design allows the V1 to be a well-hidden witness to the road ahead. Supports high-endurance micro SD memory cards up to 256 GB in memory size. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens and wide dynamic range. The 7-layer glass lens opens up to capture a sweeping view of your surroundings. The superior WDR technology allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. Supercapacitor and parking monitor. The dash cam uses a supercapacitor which can withstand extreme temperatures from -20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, that prevents the risk of overheating, extends the lifespan and reliability of the camera. With the parking monitor feature, the dash camera will automatically turn on and record a 20-second video when the car camera detects vibration or select to record 24/7 by capturing frames to make a 24/7 time-lapse video. Needs smart hardwire kit to activate the parking mode. Wi-Fi connect. View, save, and share dash cam recordings wirelessly on your mobile device with the use of an app interface. Loop recording and G-sensor. Video can be recorded in 1, 2 or 3 minute intervals. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite the oldest recordings. When the built-in gravity sensor detects a collision, the current video is locked, ensuring important footage is kept protected. Locked videos will be kept safe from being overwritten. Number 3. Garmin car key-sized dash camera mounts discreetly behind rearview mirror and goes virtually unnoticed. Automatically records and saves video of incidents. Wide 140-degree lens records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night voice control. Only available in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian and Swedish. Lets you use spoken commands to save video, start, stop audio recording, take still pictures and more. Saved videos automatically upload via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault to view and share later. The parking guard feature requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. Monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. Access the camera remotely for live view monitoring. Requires constant power and an active connection with Wi-Fi technology. Access via the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone. When you're away from your parked car, get more awareness around your vehicle using the Garmin Drive app on your compatible smartphone to view video from up to 4 dash cams, sold separately. Number 2. Viofo Dash Cam A129 Pro Duo. Adopt top-quality Sony 8MP IMX317 sensor on front camera and rear camera with Sony IMX291 sensor. This dual dash cam captures super clear view at Ultra HD 4K 30fps or 2K 60fps for front camera. 4K dash cam offer amazing video quality, 4 times higher than a regular FHD. Help you read most details from street signs, license plate etc. Give you peace of mind when you're driving. 8 megapixels sensor, combined with upgraded 7 glass f1.8 aperture lens and WDR technology, provide a much clearer image than most dash cameras at night, maintain sharp image and automatically balance the lighting at over bright and over dark area. A car recorder that can be used with peace of mind from day to night. Car camera A129 Pro Duo will record and lock 15 seconds video before the event and 30 seconds after an impact, motion. This is an excellent feature and completes a true parking mode as there can be a lot of vital information in the lead up to whatever triggered recording. Using Viofo HK3 hardwire cable kit, sold separately, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi could transmit in 2 different standard frequency ranges to avoid wireless interference. More stable signal and faster speed. With GPS logger, dash camera can log the current speed and GPS location. Timestamp information can be embedded in the video. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen in km/h or mph. 4K resolution, loop recording, emergency recording, motion detection, time-lapse, parking mode, Wi-Fi GPS function and so on. All your daily driving needs will be satisfied by this one dash cam. Number 1. Nextbase. Fantastic video quality and experience. Ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 fps to capture those finer details or number plate and produce stunning results. Optional recording of 1440p HD at 60 fps and 1080p HD at 120 fps is also available. Your rear camera module can still record in full HD quality of 1080p at 30 fps, covering your car from multiple angles and giving you greater peace of mind. Front and rear recordings. When connected to the 622 GW model, 4K front camera and 1080p rear. Exact location recovery. What 3 words integration provides your precise global location, even when you are offline, to help the emergency services or friends locate you quickly. It is embedded into the 622 GW, meaning that even if you do run out of data, you are safe in the knowledge that you can still make that call and give your location. Image stabilisation. The 622 GW reduces vibrations from your vehicle and improves footage clarity to ensure a super smooth, crystal clear image. This allows you to see finer details such as number plates, signs, and crucial details. Also, super slow motion feature allows you to view your footage in slow motion to see all the critical details. Enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode. The new sensor used in the 622 GW has larger pixels, allowing more light into each one. Plus the camera automatically detects light levels and enhances the image as it's being recorded. Extreme weather mode allows you see through fog. Whether you are involved in or witness an incident in misty conditions, this is the only dash cam which will use its inbuilt algorithms to provide the clearest image.